Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you a simple but very important thing in your Android devices. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, what happens is we do delete files, right, from our galleries, pictures, videos, but later on we realize, oh, we haven't taken a backup or we want to retrieve it. So is there any way you can do in your Android devices? Like I have Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Yes, it is. If you go to the gallery settings, you see this trash. If I enable this option, then anything I delete from my gallery is gonna stay in trash for next 30 days. From there, it can be recovered. If I don't recover it for 30 days, it's gonna be automatically permanently deleted. Of course, I'm not talking about that forensic retrieval of files. No, general I'm talking about. So in this way, it can be done, and it really helps you a lot. Thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel.